Hello everyone, this is Nick Fashion Printers and we are a manufacturer and wholesaler suppliers of hand block printed sarees. As you know, we are dealing in wholesale and bulk in hand block printed products. We are from Bagru, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Bagru is a destination of block printed products. So today we are going to show you this kinds of ajrak block printed sarees in cotton mulmul. We are using 92 and 80 count cotton fabric that is super and excellent quality. This one is super soft cotton mulmul sarees, as you can see, super comfortable for summers. We are going to show one by one all the sarees. So for price and other details you can text me on WhatsApp, and you can also check our new collections in every week. This is the blouse of this saree. It comes with all the sarees comes with blouse, and you can see the full view. This all cotton mulmul, super quality, and super soft sarees. These all are trending designs, and you can buy for and whole. These all are trending designs. You can buy at wholesale rate. You can just message me on WhatsApp. We will share the full details about the sarees and other informations.